Ueno Toshogu Shrine is a beautiful and historic Japanese shrine that you can visit in Tokyo. The shrine was built to honor Tokugawa Ieyasu, a famous leader from Japan's past, and it is known for its stunning architecture and decorations. While visiting the shrine, you can learn about Japan's rich history and culture, and take in the peaceful atmosphere of the sacred grounds. This is a must-visit attraction if you're traveling to Tokyo and want to experience traditional Japanese culture. Ueno Toshogu Shrine is known for its ornate and colorful architecture, which features intricate carvings and gold leaf accents. It is dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, a powerful general who played a pivotal role in Japanese history. The shrine also includes a beautiful garden and several other structures, such as a gate and a tower. Now I would like to take you inside Ueno Toshogu Shrine. The entrance for worship is to the left of the Golden Gate. The entrance fee is paid at this building. Also available for purchase are Japanese amulets and red ink stamp. Now let's go inside. Hold the QR code on this ticket over the terminal to enter. As soon as you enter, you will see a huge camphor tree on your right. The path of flow is such that visitors can walk around the sacred tree from the entrance to Ueno Toshogu Shrine. This sacred camphor tree is over 600 years old and its trunk is 8 meters thick. Facing a large camphor tree, there is a space just for spending quiet time. Now let's go see the Golden Hall of Ueno Toshogu. The present shrine was rebuilt in 1651 by the third shogun, Tokugawa Ieyasu, who is said to have built a luxurious shrine pavilion for the people of Edo, who could not travel to Nikko Toshogu to visit the shrine. The interior is decorated with carvings of phoenixes and paintings of Chinese lands, said to have been painted by Kano Tanyu, an official painter of the shogunate. Let's go to the front of the Golden Hall. On the right is the back side of the gate, and on the left is the front of the Golden Hall. Ueno Toshogu Shrine is a designated important cultural property of Japan, and the interior of the Golden Hall is closed to the public for protection. The shrine is believed to be especially beneficial for success in life, victory, health, and longevity. If you have a chance to visit Tokyo, please visit Ueno Toshogu Shrine in Ueno Park. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.